Now, let's see how to upload the font to Adobe Express. Go to a project in Adobe Express, then click Brands, click Fonts, and then click the plus button to add another font. You'll see the upload option. Click it, and in the pop-up, click Add Font to upload the font from your computer. Use the OTF file if you have one from Envato Elements or anywhere else you downloaded the font. Now check the box to confirm you have the license and click Add. If you don't see the font in your brand kit, click See More, and you'll see the font you just uploaded in the list. From here, you can also add more fonts if you want. Click the plus button, then Choose Font, and upload the font the same way. To find the font in the Fonts library, when you add plain text, click Text in the left side menu, and then click Add Text again to place it on the canvas. Click the font selection box on the left. If the font is uploaded to the brand kit, you'll see it at the top of the list. If not, scroll down to find the uploaded fonts list. If you have a long list and don't see the font, click See More. You can also click the font box and type the name of the font if you know it, so you can find it faster. And if you want to upload a font from here, just click Upload at the bottom of the font list and do the same steps as before. Watch this video next, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.